Marsaxlokk is Malta's little charming fishing village, which is located in the southwest coast of Malta. According to history, this was the first place where the Phoenicians landed in Malta in the 9th century BC. You can have a glimpse of the traditional colourful fishing boats. These iconic colourful boats are called Luzzus. The boats are attractions in themselves and a colourful symbol of the Maltese island. Tourists flock here to take photos as it's the most picturesque harbour. The boats from each Maltese village have different colours to distinguish which port they're sailing from. The fishermen named their boats after their favourite Catholic saints, and if you look at the front of the boats, they are all painted with the goddess eye of a saint to make sure they get home safely. We will pass the Delamara port and power station, Fort Delamara, Kalanka Bay, St. Peter's Pool, small cove at the Hofra Bay, and on our return past the old lighthouse, then the tuna fish farm. Here we go. That's the Delamara Port Harbour. That's the liquefied natural gas power station tanker in the harbour. Malta produces cleaner and cheaper energy for the island country. You can spot the bright limestone rock naturally formed around the island. The boat trip around the island takes roughly 1 hour and 10 minutes to cover these important places. Kalanka Bay, it is nice here in the summer. One can relax and have a good swim. Enjoy the breathtaking views and the clear turquoise water. You can see the St. Peter's Pool ahead. This pool is one of the most beautiful and natural swimming pools in Malta. The pool is a natural rock formation not separated from the sea. This is the Delamara Lighthouse, which is active on the island of Malta. It was built in 1856 and has an apartment equipped with all facilities for anyone seeking a quiet retreat with a difference. This is the tuna fish farm, well over the size of a football pitch. They are breeded here for a year, then exported to Japan. Now, we are heading back to the harbour. The view across the harbour was lovely along the way. This place has lots of history and has great sunshine and beautiful sceneries. There is a big fish market on a Sunday morning, as the fishermen bring fresh fish caught by the Maltese fishermen. All the restaurants serve the catch of the day along with good local wines. It's a good place to grab a bite at various seafood restaurants. Bye, see you next time.